In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the B minor scale, more specifically the B harmonic minor scale, as it is the relative minor of the D major scale. We're still going to use the same key signature for both, which has F sharp and C sharp as accidentals. But now we're going to raise the seventh, meaning that instead of playing A, we'll be playing A sharp. This makes the scale a little bit more trickier, especially again with coordination. But before we start with the one octave, give me a subscribe, leave a comment, check the bell, and like to show your appreciation. Thanks so much. Let's get started. Right hand, one octave first. Starting on our thumb, B, C sharp, D, E, thumb, F sharp, G, A sharp. And now we're going to come back down the same way. For the left hand, starting on my forefinger, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming back down the same way. And now hands together. Moving on to two octaves. Right hand first. Left hand. Remembering 4 and then 3. Let's do this one hands together. As this is part of Hanon, we'll be doing this 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. Moving on to the cadence, which is optional but necessary. Ending on B in the bottom, 1 and 4. We're going to come up to E in the left. We're going to have C sharp, G and B. Followed by movement F sharp in the left, D, F sharp and B. All the way down to F sharp in the left, A sharp, F sharp, E, and C sharp. And finally coming back up to B, having B, D, F sharp, and B in the right. Quite a big stretch again for the right hand. And that's the B harmonic minor scale. Thanks for watching.